We'll definitely need the other 25 cans and the other 9 bags. We'll definitely make it thick. And because this liquid is not that much liquid, see, like so that's why I'm like, with all the fabric softener, it's not even gonna be like, I got $4 dish soaps. Yeah, it's because it's liquid, but I don't want to use that for this side either. I'll start, even though I have more to go, then I'll wait till it gets a little bit thicker. I've not seen you live. Unless you've been going live early. Does anyone in here watch musicals? Wicked. Ooh, that was so good. You know what it makes me think about? I just watched Maze Runner, so when I'm like thinking about Wicked, I'm like, Wicked is good. But I don't like musicals. Oh, this looks so good though. It's a little bit different than I thought it was gonna be. Like, I think the dish soap is making it like creamy. Okay. Because it was like, looked like more clear at first. And then when I put the dish soap, it was looking like, ooh. That wasn't the only green that I had, but I do have plenty of pink and blue. Ooh. Oh my god. Very peaceful. If you're new here, hit the follow. I have 25 cans, chat. 25 cans left. They are $2 each. They are $1.50 for my subs. If anyone wants to send, let me know. Oh my god. Someone's using like a leaf blower. There's only 10 going in. There's 10 going in and 1 Roma. I have 9 Romas, $4 each. iced. I don't know what you mean. Like, do I put them in the freezer? No. If that's what you mean. Hey Kelly, how are you, my love? Hey Hiba. Chat, I only have 25 cans left to sell out, and I have 9 to sell out of the cans. I have 25 left, and then I have 9 bags of laundry left to sell out of laundry. Thank you, Brandy. Hey Kristen. I didn't know that was a thing. Do people put their sponges in the freezer? Wait, are y'all onto something? I know not everyone likes suds, so you better enjoy this. But also too, like, just watery squeezes are just so like juicy, like so top tier. It's fresh powder. Thank you, Danny. Thank you for your send, love. I'm like, it's definitely giving. My hand is a lot better. Thank you so much for asking. I think Ja will be fine because I gave her a rinse earlier, so. Just the powder with this is so good. Like, I have plenty of dish soap though. If anyone wants to send or add any dish soap. If you're new here, hit the follow. Hey, sponge and powder. Hey, Goddessy. If you are a clean talker and you want to drop your sponge, let's go ahead and support each other. And if y'all not following these amazing creators, go ahead and give them a follow. I'm doing good. So if you want to be recognized and drop your sponge, you can. Hey Miffy. Hey Erica. I didn't see y'all come in. There's room for everybody at the table. And when I say that, I'm being genuine. I wouldn't say there's room for everybody and then take away your chair. Then how is it room for everybody if I'm not including you, right? Okay. I love y'all. This is so good. Do we want to make this thick, chat? I'm about to put the aroma in. Oh, this is so good. The PayPal is Rielle1, RIELLE1. Hey, love ASMR. The G. Oh, it's so good. You need to get you one and then put your letter. Or put like 817. 817 on a cheese. That would eat, like, for real. You need one like that. Come on now. I've been getting videos from some people, so I think I've got a video from Simplicity. I sent to her for a video, so if y'all haven't seen it, go watch it. I don't know if Love ASMR takes requests. I'm pretty sure she does, but I don't know. Do you, girl? You need 304. Girl, you are funny. Z, I literally just started. Yes, this is Roma. I want to do some layered bombs, but I don't know if anyone's sending for any cans. Oh, hey Monica. Don't shoot me now. I can do cans? Okay. Well, let me know. I can do laundry and one can if you want. Just a dish soap? Okay, I have just a big one. Okay. Perfect. This is a pretty color. Thank you. I have 24 cans left. If you're new here, hit the follow.